We're on the outside of the property right now. This is a house that I'm building, one of the largest that I've built to date. So pretty excited about this project. What they're working on right now is they just wrapped up putting the stucco on the exterior, and on the second floor the siding has not arrived yet for it to be installed, but we're going to walk through the property right now. Last week I had Jasmine Allen, my daughter, go through the property and just kind of give her tour and her assessment of it. So as I walk up the garage, or the driveway to the garage, you can see that this is a 3-car garage. It's pretty big. As a matter of fact, one of the bays of the garage actually seems like it's like a double car, or what they call in tandem. So you possibly could even park maybe 2 vehicles behind each other, and then still have space for additional vehicles here. The ceilings are 10-foot ceilings, if I'm not mistaken. So it's pretty big in here. The garage itself is about maybe 800 square feet, plus or minus. So pretty generous space, lots of storage. So now I'm gonna walk into what would be the hallway, right? Entering into the home from the hallway. So the first things that you get is a nice little coat closet right here, which is nice. And then over here, which is a nice little cubby space, if you can take a look at it. This is what they call like a drop zone. So for people that are up north, they may be used to this. It's called a mud room, or an area where you may have a bench, or you may have something where some seating where you can take your shoes off coming into the home. So as I walk down the first hallway from the garage, the first bedroom is the master bedroom. It's ginormous, you guys. So this is the owner's suite, all right? It's 27 by 17. And if you look here real quick, I'm gonna just go, let me see how fast I can walk to the window. It has really great views. There we go. Really great views of the retention pond. Plus it got some nice views over there of the actual lake in this community. So this community is a community that has a natural lake. So residents have the opportunity to put their boats and jet skis on the lake if they so chose or desired. So now I'm headed into the master suites bathroom, right? So we have another closet again, and then we have the double sinks that's coming up here with the double lighting and this very large mirror here. And we have what we call a super shower. So the super shower is pretty big. I think maybe, I don't even know, I think 8 feet. I don't know. It's pretty big. So you walk into it. Let me see if I can go in. All right, I'm gonna go in and just hang out in the shower real quick. So you walk into the shower, and as you can see, there's 3 different nozzles, right? So there's 3 different nozzles here, levers for hot, cold. Why? Because there's 3 different shower heads. So you got 1, 2, 3 different shower heads, and then you have like a recess area over there for storage of your tchotchkes, what you have in the shower. People normally have shampoos and soaps and all that cool stuff, right? So this half wall is going to be glassed in, and it's going to be framed and really cool. Now, one of the other features that I thought was really neat to add into this home, which is kind of like a luxury feature, is a television in the bathroom. So some people may be asking, like, what the hell? But right here you see this these outlets. One is going to be like a cable outlet, and one is like a power outlet, because we're going to mount a flat screen right there. So when you're in the shower, you don't got to miss anything on your favorite episode, okay? So here is the water closet. Yeah, pretty big. And then when we come over here, if you go through the master bathroom, then you have the master closet, which is pretty generous space as well too. And another, I guess, upgrade, there would be the washer and dryer in the closet, because the main laundry room is on the 2nd floor, and damn that. You gotta walk up the steps to wash your own clothes. So we made sure that there was a washer and dryer downstairs, so that anyone residing on this level technically doesn't really have to go upstairs if they don't want to, right? So here we go. We are leaving the master suite. So the master suite is like 1/4 of the entire structure. It takes up like half of the first floor. So you come out the master bedroom and you make a right, I guess, and then you're actually in like the family gathering room. So let me just give you guys a few seconds to like absorb that. So this is the family room, and then this is the actual kitchen itself too. So this half wall will be like the beginning of the actual island, and then that back wall there will be filled with cabinets and the double oven along with the stove. And then over there is where the refrigerator will be. And then here we have the steps to go upstairs. And then here we actually have the dining room. This is the dining room. So one of the features of the dining room is another half wall. So that allows like kind of like a pass through, if you will, for serving if you so desire to use it that way. And then in this hallway, we're going back to the front of the house again. Over here, as Jasmine had lovingly shared, is a half bathroom with another closet, because one thing that this property is not short of is closets. And then this front area here is considered a den, but it can always be used as an office or some kind of flex space. So this view right here is from the front door, right? So from the front door to the left, you got your den. You got your first restroom here, half bathroom, and a closet. And then you also have our dining room going on here, family room, and then you have the kitchen. And again, the high ceilings continue on the first floor. It's got 10 feet tall. So the doors in here, somebody had asked me about the height of the doors. I believe the doors are like 8 feet doors throughout the entire home. All right, so again, this is kind of like the view of the backyard. So all of this is the backyard, and it will be sodded. We'll be adding a pool. And like on this wall right here, they stuccoed it. But if you look up to the top right, you see some wires hanging out. It's already adjusted here for an outdoor kitchen. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna go upstairs. How cool is that? So I turned around and now we're gonna go up these fabulous steps. One of the best features that I love about this home is the fact that it has these really, really high ceilings, right? So from the first floor, when you look above the banisters for the steps, you can see all the way to the top. So it's kind of like 20 feet ceilings, if you will, because it's pretty high, because the second floor has high ceilings as well. So now we're gonna go up the stairs here. Turn around, turn around, turn around. And again, this is the Jackie Jackson. I'm just giving you guys a real quick tour, a real quick update on the progress of the construction, the new construction of a property that I am building. And here we are. So on the second landing, the first thing that you see is what they call the game room, or the loft, if you will. This is where you'd put your pool table, foosball table, air hockey, that kind of thing. Or maybe you might want to convert this room into something else that's more creative. I don't know. Let me hear your comments on what you would do with this space. My ideas was a game room, but it doesn't have to be. You know, it could be anything that your imagination allows you to create. So what would you do with this space right here, right? It's pretty big. And we have another closet. But when you turn around, there it is again. That beautiful open space. So you can imagine like a gorgeous chandelier hanging from the top and just kind of dangling like a pendant earring from the top ceiling there all the way down to the second floor. Pretty cool, right? Pretty awesome. So when we turn in the game room, we can go right here. And then this room right here is going to have this fancy double door thing going on. When we come in this room right here, this is the room that is designated and termed as like a media room. So in here, this room is going to be used as like a home theater. And if you're looking at the drywall, you'll notice that there are some wet spots, right? So right now, the stage that the home is in right now is we're just waiting for this drywall to dry, right? This putty, well, drywall is already dry, but the putty that they use to cement together to make the actual wall is still wet. So they sanded it down and they, are making sure that it's smooth. And then the next step is going to be like texturing the walls of how it goes. So now we're going to walk down this hallway real quick. And remember that laundry room I was telling you guys about? Yeah, here it is. So this is the laundry room that's upstairs that, I really don't see myself utilizing because there's already wash and dry downstairs in the master owner suite. We got another closet here and we got another bedroom. I like this one. This is another bedroom here. And then every bedroom has its own walk-in closet, right? So some of these closets are pretty big. I've heard some people say that, hey, your closet is as big as my bedroom. I don't know. I never really measured it like that. But here's another bedroom and another walk-in closet. Got it? So this is a hallway here. And then here we go. So this is a bathroom here that's shared between these two bedrooms, so we got this really large bathroom here, double sinks again, and a shower tub combination. And then we have another bedroom right here that actually has its own shower. It has an ensuite is what they call it. So it has a double sink and then it'll have a shower here. And then it also has its own walk-in closet. So I know this video is going a little bit long, but let me just show you real quick as I walk to the other side of the property, right? So here we go. So we're passing the game room again and passing the stairs and open to both levels. And then when you get over here, then you got another bedroom on this side, which is pretty cool. And it has, I like this bedroom because it has the lake view, like the master bedroom does. So this is one of my favorite. I think this one I would do as a guest room, I think. So people that come over kind of have an opportunity to enjoy that. Then you have another walk-in closet. And over here, again, there's another bathroom, pretty spacious in here too. So this bathroom is pretty interesting because it's a Jack and Jill setup where the toilet and the tub shower are separate with a door. And then you have double sinks over here. So, 2-3 people can be in the bathroom at the same time, I suppose, doing different things and functioning different ways. But take a look at this, you guys. When you come out the bathroom, look at this view. Look at this. This is from the bathroom door. So you come out into the hallway and you're like, oh my God. It's massive, right? All right, cool. So now we're gonna go over here. There's another closet. And then we have our last bedroom here. And another closet right there. Cool. All right, so we got a bedroom. So they did really good. The walls look really smooth. Of course, it's unfinished. We got, more drywall and more stuff to do here. So the stage now is just waiting for this spackling stuff here to dry. Some areas are still kind of wet to the touch, but most of it is pretty dry. But when I spoke to the contractor, they're saying that the process for drywall and texturing and all that stuff with this size property, it takes about 2 weeks. And 2 calendar weeks, but technically 10 business days because they're not here on the weekends. So be it. They're not here on the weekends. Sometimes they are, but this contractor was like, nah.